2025 Citroen C4 and C4X debut in Paris with a new face. The compact models offer a choice between mild hybrid and fully electric powertrains, with a non-electrified ICE available in certain markets. The new C5 Aircross Concept might be the highlight of the Citroen booth at the Paris Auto Show 2024, but the French brand hosted another interesting premiere. The Citroen C4 and C4X benefit from a mid-lifecycle update for 2025, adopting a redesigned exterior, comfier seats and a digital instrument cluster. The closely related models wear a redesigned face, with a slimmer and boxier arrangement for the split headlights. The chrome-infused double chevron grille is gone, replaced by Citroen's new oval emblem. Finally, the tweaked bumper is more sculpted than before, with less plastic cladding and an aluminum-style skid plate. The profile is largely carried over, with new designs for the alloy wheels. The rear end of the C4 looks a lot cleaner than before, thanks to the new LED taillights mounted below the integrated rear spoiler. On the other hand, the longer tail of the C4X remains virtually unchanged, setting aside the updated Citroen branding. Interior changes are limited to new Citroen advanced comfort seats with thicker foam padding, and a fresh 7-inch digital instrument cluster alongside the carryover 10-inch infotainment touchscreen. Both the C4 and the C4X ride on the CMP architecture. The powertrain lineup will include mild hybrid and fully electric options, with an ICE-only version available in certain markets. The mild hybrid turbocharged 1.2-liter engine produces 99 horsepower, 74 kilowatts/100 PS, or 134 horsepower, 100 kilowatts/136 PS, with another 28 horsepower, 21 kilowatts/29 PS, from the electric motor mounted inside the 6-speed automatic gearbox. The carryover fully electric powertrains generate 134 horsepower, 136 PS, and 155 horsepower, 115 kilowatts/156 PS of power, transmitted to the front wheels. The smaller 50 kWh battery of the former offers 355/360 km, 221/224 miles, of WLTP range, while the larger 54 kWh battery of the more potent EV is good for 415/425 km, 258/264 miles of range. The facelift Citroen C4 and C4X will reach European dealerships in early 2025.